أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. The world today is undergoing many upheavals following the worldwide spread of a virus called COVID-19. Viruses are creatures whose nuisance has been activated by the Lord. In the world ghaib, like the angels, they have a place assigned to them and remain under the Lord's orders. These viruses draw their harmfulness from the source from which they were created. In fact, their creation was made from the divine name Al-Mumit, which also means the life taker. They are characterized by their tiny size. They are invisible to the naked eye, and only a microscope is needed to observe them. Some are even undetectable under the microscope. In this manner, they are waiting in their location, surrounded by two barriers, Al-Hayyu, the living, and Al-Qayyum, the self-existing. Despite the harmful power of these viruses, these two barriers are capable of countering them. They are capable of wiping out any virus, whatever its nature. This is why the word ghaib indicates that for anyone infected with a virus, the name Ya Hayyu constitutes the antidote, more effective than any other remedy or containment solution. In this regard, Al-Hayyu and Al-Qayyum are the two names of God capable of destroying all existing viruses without exception. These viruses, by their essence, drawn from the divine name Al-Mumit, the life taker, are so virulent that any person affected is condemned to certain death, unless the latter benefits from divine grace. This is how pandemics can wipe out thousands of people around the world, wiping out nations, entire generations, entire countries within a short period of time. In the event of an epidemic like that triggered by COVID-19, reminders of hygiene rules are multiplying, such as frequent hand washing and regular disinfection of surfaces. But the virus can survive all these precautions, as it is capable of nesting on clean-looking supports such as a bed, a floor, or other. Let us remind you that these viruses, under divine command in the ghaib world, are waiting an order from God. Their harmfulness is inhibited as long as they are not used. Large-scale viral infections only occur when turpitude and sins multiply among men. The Lord commands the guide of a given category of virus to fulfill a mission at a specific place on earth. This leader, as well as his fellows, 10 or even 100 at most, then begin their methodical work of contamination, from individual to the point of infecting and decimating entire populations by the thousands. This propagation being the work of a limited number of viruses of the same species, what would happen if the Lord ordered all the individuals of a species to execute? We therefore notice that viruses are like a military organization or commando, made up of sleeping cells ready to be activated at any time to fulfill a specific mission with fearsome efficiency. Hence, the presence of the two barriers in the ghaib world responsible for confining it, Al-Hayyu and Al-Qayyum. This extract is taken from the teachings of our guide, Mawlaya Sidi Muhammad al-Sheikh. In light of the unpublished events in progress, namely this deep health crisis of the COVID-19 and its economic and social consequences, which are already being felt, we are tempted to ask ourselves the following question. Are we in the era of the last warning signs of the upcoming advent of this famous unknown that is Imam al-Mahdi, as announced by the hadiths of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Dear brothers and sisters, more and more people are wondering about this possibility. Let us know what you think on the comment section below. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in our next editions on our Mahdi Teachings channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.